Understanding Cheese Factory, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and interesting English phrase, cheese factory. This phrase can be quite intriguing, especially for those learning English. So, let's explore its meaning and usage together. The phrase, cheese factory, literally refers to a place where cheese is made or processed. Cheese factories can range from small artisanal shops to large industrial plants. However, in English, this phrase can also be used metaphorically or in idiomatic expressions. Literal use. When used literally, cheese factory simply means a facility where cheese production occurs. Figurative use. In a figurative sense, it could be used to describe a place or situation that is full of activity or where things are being produced rapidly, much like how cheese is produced in a factory. 1. Literal. I visited a cheese factory to see how they make cheddar. 2. Figurative. Our office is like a cheese factory before the product launch, bustling with activity. Sometimes, cheese factory might be referenced in culture, such as in names of businesses or in literature, to evoke the sense of productivity or the particular craft of cheese making. It's not a commonly used metaphor but can be effective in the right context. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, cheese factory, in English. Whether it's a literal cheese-making facility or a metaphor for a bustling, productive environment, it's a phrase that adds flavor to the language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.